Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with another lecture from the chapter Coal and Petroleum. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the different type of natural resources like exhaustible or inexhaustible. So, we are going to continue with that is the formation of coal. How this coal is formed. So, coal. This coal is a fossil fuel. As I told you earlier, that this coal is formed from the dead remains of plants and animal. But where it is formed and how it is formed? Now learn this. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in the low-lying wetland areas, and due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil, and as more and more soil deposited over them, they are going to compress, and because of this temperature and pressure conditions, these dead plants got converted into coal. As coal is having mainly which element is there? Carbon. So this process is called carbonization. Since it was formed from dead remains, so it is a fossil fuel. Can you tell me, is it an exhaustible resource or inexhaustible? Yes, you are right that coal is a exhaustible natural resource. Just see in this picture that in the swampy areas, because of high temperature and pressure conditions over millions of years, this dead remains of plants and animals are got buried under the earth, and they are leading to the formation of coal. There is heat and pressure, then lot of temperature is there which lead to the formation of this coal, and this whole process is called carbonization. Now the another important process is destructive distillation. And what do you mean by destructive distillation? When any substance is heated in the absence of air, जब हम किसी भी सब्सटेंस को इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर हीट करते हैं, लाइक अगर हम इसमें हमने कोल की फॉर्मेशन अभी पढ़ी है, तो अगर हम उस कोल को हीट करते हैं and because of that we are having a different type of product formed from this process, and the different type of product which are formed by the process of destructive distillation are, there is coke, ammonical liquid, coal tar, coal gas. So what are their names? Coke, ammonical liquid, coal tar, coal gas. So you can see the diagram of this destructive distillation. There is a boiling tube, and in the boiling tube we have taken a coal, and this coal is heated with the help of burner. And in the another test tube you can see there are the formation of different products, like there is coal tar, coal gas, and there is ammonical liquid. Is it clear? Different products are formed by the destructive distillation of coal. जब हमने कोल को हीट किया तो उससे क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट बने? देयर इज कोक, देयर इज कोल टार, देयर इज कोल गैस एंड अमोनिकल लिक्विड. So what is coke? When coal is heated in the distillation apparatus, हमारे पास जो substance बचेगा after heating, that substance is coke, and it contains 98% of carbon, and it is the purest form of coal. Name the purest form of coal. This is, what is this? This is coke. And like charcoal, it burns without smoke, and it is a very good fuel, and it is also used for extraction of metal from their ores, and extraction of metal from their ore is known as metallurgy. In the example you can see there is a zinc oxide, there is a zinc ore, and how we are getting this zinc from zinc oxide? By the use of coke. This is carbon. So this carbon is used in the process of metallurgy, and it is also used for making various gases like water gas and producer gas. And the next product is coal tar. What is coal tar? Coal tar is a mixture of different carbon compounds and it is obtained after heating. कैसे बना था ये product? जब हमने coal को heat किया था. And it is very thick black liquid and it is used for surfacing road. जब भी roads बनती हैं तो उसमें हम इसको use करते हैं. And there are different uses of this compound. It is used in the preparation of dyes, paints, synthetic fibers, and lots of more products are going to be formed with this. Like naphthalene balls, जो हम घर में कपड़ों को, सर्दियों के कपड़ों को जब रखते हैं तो उसमें हम वाइट कलर की बॉल्स रखते हैं, दे आर द नेप्थलीन बॉल्स. तो ये नेप्थलीन बॉल्स को बनाने के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड this days bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in the place of coal tar. Which product is used in the place of coal tar during these days? That is bitumen. And the next product is coal gas. कोल गैस भी कब बनी थी, किस प्रोसेस से बनाया हमने इसको? बाय द डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ कोल. Coal gas is mainly a mixture of hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. And these gases are present in coal gas are very combustible and it is a very excellent fuel, and so it is used for lighting houses, factories and the streets. And the last product is ammonical liquid. इसको हम किस लिए use करते हैं? It is used as a fertilizers. And I hope all the topics are clear to you. That is, firstly we learn about how this coal is formed, and after that we discussed about destructive distillation of coal. And what are the products formed during this process? The products are, what are the products? The products are, there is coke, coal tar, coal gas and ammonical liquor, and you should learn the uses of these different compounds. Is it clear? Thank you.